Guys, if you never try this, you are really missing a lot. Guys, before I usually throw all these regular cucumber away. Why? Because I don't know how to go about preparing them. This is obeji, guys, but it look exactly like cucumber. Guys, but it's quite different from cucumber. I have a different species of cucumber, obeji cucumber, regular cucumber. They are mixed. So before, I don't know how to go about preparing them. It's only normal cucumber I usually go about taking, because I can eat that one direct without preparation. Without preparing it, guys, lo and behold, when I finally learn how to go about garnishing this, guys, I don't usually crave for any other thing apart from this. Guys, for you to keep eating this, I'm gonna tell you this secret. Guys, this so sweet, especially when you grill it in the oven. So stay very tuned. I'm gonna tell you, whenever you come across this kind of obeji or cucumber, regular cucumber, I'm gonna tell you the means to prepare them. Guys, we don't have a lot of food preparing. Let's not just base only on one particular food every day. We get to be changing. Why are we not changing? Is because we don't know how to prepare some food we see each day. Guys, before, I must tell you the truth, before I usually throw this away, because I can't eat it just like that. It's not eatable raw, unless maybe you cook it or you roast it. Before, I don't know how to do that, or you fry it. So whenever I manage to pick it, I will just, as in, when I try to prepare it and I don't know how to go about that, I will just leave it in my fridge. It will just get spoiled like that. So I now keep doing research to know how to prepare this. When I found out that you don't need to eat it raw, guys, either you roast it or you, as in, grill it, put it in oven after you might have finished cutting them, or you can fry it. So I'm gonna tell you the technique on how to go about two methods to prepare this, for in case if you never know how to try this or prepare this like me. I was once like you. I don't usually go about eating it, but now this has become order of my day. Each week, if I didn't eat this, guys, this kind of thing is kind of stuff, food you need to be eating. Don't just basically on rice or swallow all the time. All these ones you take for granted, you neglected, they are very healthy. As I said, we are not making a health claims, guys. So I'm gonna tell you before I finish preparing this. So what I usually do whenever I buy this in the market, guys, I'm gonna wash this, slice it. I usually pick many colors, wash it, slice it, guys. So I usually roast it. So I put it in this bowl, glass bowl. Guys, is a roaster, as in is a, yeah, you can put this glass one in the oven. So this is my glass bowl. So I put all the sliced there. So what did I add to make it taste good? I add oil, I add salt, I add liquid maggi, I add pepper, grounded pepper. Guys, it doesn't require much ingredients. So when I finished adding all those things, what else did I do? Guys, please, if you never followed me, kindly follow, like the video and share if you really like what we are doing here. So guys, I now went ahead to mix it to make sure that all the spices and stuff mixed together, guys, so that, as in, the taste will come out very good. So after, I then use spoon to turn it to make sure that the maggi, they all combined. So guys, another method you can do this is maybe after cutting it, guys, transfer your pan to the gas, add a little oil. After you might have spiced it, add oil in a pan, pour it and started frying it. Guys, when it's done, you're gonna know, because when the water dries on it, that's when you're gonna know say it done. So these are the two ways you can do that. So either you fry it or you roast it, so, or you grill it. Yeah, I'm trying to mix it very well to put to the oven, so you can leave it there like 10-15 minutes. Guys, it's done. Lo and behold, this really tastes so sweet. Guys, you can side it with some stuff. You can side it with spaghetti, white spaghetti. You can side it with your white rice. It's not mandatory you use to eat your rice, or you can eat it like that. I don't usually side it with anything. I go about eating it like that. When I eat it like that, I'm satisfied, guys. But I'm just, for in case if you can't eat it like that, guys, go ahead to side it with other things. As you can see, that's what I'm eating now. That will be my food this moment. So now we finished mixing. We are about transferring it to the oven. We're gonna put to the oven. Guys, lo and behold, put it in the oven, leave it there like 10 or 15 minutes. Guys, here it's come. Done. So the thing is giving is very nice for me. I don't know about another person, but I know that when you try it this method, you're gonna like it. Either you fry it. Next time I'm gonna show you how to fry them. I'm gonna show you how to fry them. So this is so yummy and delicious. It's healthy. You never try it, kindly try it. Or maybe if you see it in the market like me before, if I see it, I don't usually buy it, but we get to be trying many things. You never can tell. Trying many things can help you to have many food to cook or many recipes, so that you can keep basing on fufu, rice,